These carrot cake cupcakes are easy, made from scratch, and utterly delicious. If you've made our popular carrot cake recipe, you will love these cupcakes. We need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, ground ginger, and ground cardamom, and finally 1/8 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Next up are the wet ingredients. I've got a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Combine the wet and dry ingredients. I like doing this in stages and use a spatula to fold the dry ingredients into the wet. We need 1 1/2 cups of grated carrots, which means you'll need 2 to 3 medium carrots. I just use my hand grater, it goes quickly. To finish the batter, fold in the grated carrots and anything else you love. I'm adding a 1/4 cup each of chopped nuts and raisins. Divide the batter between 12 lined cupcake cups, and then bake in a 350-degree F oven until the tops of the cupcakes are springy when touched and when a toothpick comes out clean. While the cupcakes bake and cool, make your frosting. Use a hand mixer to beat 4 ounces of cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. When they look creamy and whipped, beat in powdered sugar a 1/4 cup at a time until fluffy. I use 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar. This frosting is creamy and flavorful, but not sickly sweet. It's perfect with these carrot cake cupcakes. Swirl the frosting onto the tops of your cupcakes, and then, if you use them in the batter, sprinkle a few chopped nuts on top. Just look at how perfect the inside looks. I love these easy cupcakes and hope you do too. You can find the full recipe on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.